value of forgiveness in affection even for enemies. The day when we derive pleasure by serving the needy.
Peace with others and peace in your own heart. The good news of great joy. Chase the course of every silent night to come. The story of Christmas is the story of God's relentless love for us all.
Stand. Take this. All right, come stand here now. You, next you. Now.
Christmas and after Christmas. So there's a flood of Christmas tide. So Merry Christmas to all of you. And also a very happy and prosperous new year.
Within us, remember, Christmas is a season of joy, love and peace. Let's forget the pain, hatred, fear and worry and all the negative things that happened this year. Not just for this day, but forever.
You may move back to your classes. Keep up with the same energy till the end of the session. Merry Christmas!
Tagore it is! We have Tagore House at first position. Heartiest congratulations to Tagore House. I request Mandeep ma'am to honor the students. Please give them a loud round.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, what's the one thing you would like the children to take away from the program?
First of all, on behalf of Delhi Public School, I would like to wish all the viewers of this channel Merry Christmas and a very, very happy and prosperous New Year in advance. Yes, as you said, today's celebration, today's assembly was extremely enlightening, not just amusing, it was a bundle of very good takeaways. The most important takeaway, I think, of course we all know, as they showed in the Christmas assembly rightly, that Christmas is all about merrymaking, joy, rejoicing, celebrating, but the important thing that we forget is that children are supposed to take resolutions for the next year. What qualities can they imbibe in themselves, what can they inculcate in themselves, that was very aptly showcased in the assembly. Some of those good qualities that we would like our children to inculcate are discipline, sense of responsibility, taking resolutions to be a better version of themselves, to put up their best foot forward in the next year. I think these are some good important takeaways that children at this budding age can learn, understand from Christmas. And one important thing that I would like to contribute is that Christmas is about giving and sharing joy. So some people are more capable of sharing joy than others. So if you can, you must contribute, become somebody else's secret Santa, and if you can, contribute to somebody's happiness. You don't know what joy you can add to somebody's life in these last moments of this year. So this is something that I would like to share with the children.
Thank you so much.